Cupcake. My name's Maria and I share videos on the art of life, home, health, and style. If you like those types of things, please hit that red subscribe button below because I want you as part of this happy, welcoming community. So I have a quick review for you today. If you're new to style boxes or are thinking about trying Trunkclub, I wanted to talk about my Trunkclub experience to help explain how they work so then you can decide if it might be for you. I'm not going to go into details on the clothes I received because they are specifically curated for each individual, so no one will get the same box. But this video will explain the process and my experience so that you can get the feel of how they work and if it's something that you would find spending money on is worth it to you. I'm going to get started with the basics of how it works and then go into the relationship with your stylist, whether they hit the mark or not, and the quality of the clothes that you'll receive. So first off, how it works. I'm going to talk about the at-home version of Trunkclub. They do have a clubhouse program with locations in Boston, Chicago, LA, New York, and DC. This is an in-person experience with a stylist. The one I've tried is the at-home version, and you communicate one-on-one with a dedicated stylist through an app or through emails. They have this service for men or women, and it's $25 to have your box styled for you. If you keep any items, then that $25 will be deducted from the total. The whole process from discussing what I wanted to the items previewed for my box to receiving and returning, it all took about 2 weeks. There's no shipping costs, and you have 5 days to try everything on. The packaging is really cute. It comes in a box that looks like a little suitcase, and the items are all tied up with nice little ropes. It's just really fun to get the box and see what's inside. Also, this isn't a subscription, so you can just order one whenever you need one. The stylists will reach out to you every once in a while to see if you need something new, but they're never pests about it. So more on the stylists. My stylists got switched 3 times in 1 year. I don't know if they quit or if Trunkclub just likes to switch things up or what. So even though I'd gotten to know my stylist and I really liked her and I felt like she had a good understanding of my style, I then had to go through this 2 more times with 2 new people. When a stylist comes on, they do take the time to look at your conversation history with your previous stylist, but it's just a bummer because you feel the need to reiterate what your style is and what you need and don't need in your closet with this new stylist. It was just a little time consuming and frustrating. So did any or all of these stylists hit the mark on what I was looking for in my trunk? So what I like about Trunkclub is that they let you take a peek before they ship everything out. So I was not disappointed because I knew what was coming and I had the opportunity to say no if it looked like something I absolutely would not wear. You would think that seeing the preview beforehand would take away some of the excitement, but it really didn't because I had that initial excitement when I first saw the preview email, and then I got to go through and request something different or be added to the trunk. Then when you get everything, that's a lot of fun because you get to see if the stylist found you something that you wouldn't have picked out yourself. And it's just a lot of fun because you know that they put some time and effort into it, looking for things that would look good on you. I found a few brands that I never would have picked up on my own. For example, Wit and Wisdom jeans. They fit me really well and I may never have found them had I not done a Trunkclub. I have not ever had a style box that was 100% where I kept everything, but finding those little nuggets like the Wit and Wisdom brand really made this service worth it for me. Next, we'll talk about the quality of the clothes. Well, the quality is great. They're a subsidiary of Nordstrom, so if you like Nordstrom clothing and their customer service, then you will enjoy Trunkclub. I found everything to be of high quality materials, well-fitting, no loose stitching. It didn't even look like anyone had tried on anything before me. It was just all in mint condition when I received it. Another point to make here about the Nordstrom Association is that you can use your Nordstrom card for any Trunkclub purchase and it'll count towards your next note. Notes are redeemable at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack, but not for Trunkclub merchandise. Kind of confusing, but at least you have the perk of it counting towards your note. So the clothing quality is high, which translates to yes, the items are a little bit expensive. Since everything's from Nordstrom, you can expect Nordstrom prices on everything you receive. On their website, it says to expect things to be $100 to $300 each, but I did not find that to be true. You can chat with your stylist about a price range and try to stick to it with certain items, like say, don't go over $100 for a pair of jeans, or try to get as close to $50 as you can for a nice top. So there is some flexibility there. So that was my quick review on Trunkclub. If you like this video and you want to see other Style Box reviews, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Please subscribe, and I hope you have a happy day.